What's up, YouTubers? Well, this is the deal with this Xbox. I have the red ring of death. Yeah, 3 lights. That pretty much messed up my whole Xbox gaming thing. I tried a couple of methods on it, see if it would make it work, but none of them really worked. I mean, this one, I tried the penny trick, where you get 4 stacks of 3 sets of pennies, and you put them under some little chips. Hold on. Let me get to them. Let me get to it real quick. Oh, the penny trick. We're on the bottom of the X clamps. Put 3 pennies and some electrical tape over those white things, which didn't really work at all. Well, it did work for about 2 days, and then it broke down again. So now I'm just gonna try the towel trick. I don't care if it messes up this Xbox, because I have that one. Yeah. So I'm just gonna try out the towel trick and see how long this works for on this Xbox. Soon, so you guys know if that towel trick actually works or not. Just can't put this Xbox back together. Alright, hold on. I'll get back to you guys when I put this Xbox back together, and then I'll do the towel trick for you guys. Well, I got the box back together. Took those pennies out, but I still have a ring red of death. Oh my gosh, hold on. What the fuck? My Xbox just started working. I think I'm tripping. It's either I'm tripping or... Whoa, I must be one lucky person. Because I just tried it again and I had the red ring. See. Please don't crash my dreams. Please don't crash my dreams. Wow. Wow. Well, I guess that's a good way to fix your Xbox. Put 3 pennies and electrical tape, 4 of them, in your Xbox next to your X clamps, next to your GCP, I don't know, those 4 chips. Put them in there for a week. Don't screw your Xbox down, or else that'll bend your motherboard. It'll start bending it, and then your Xbox will think it's overheating. You'll get this red light and this red light, which is overheating, and it'll keep thinking it's overheating. So when you have these 3, put the pennies in there, and then don't just tie down like the ends that are like right here, like around the corners, not the middle 8 ones, because that what will mess up your Xbox. And then I guess take them out, put your Xbox back together, and voila. I still think I'm tripping. What? Wow. That is something I was not expecting to happen. Oh, fuck you. Well, for you Xbox people out there. Ah, shit, my button broke again. I don't know if you just saw that, but my Xbox started magically working again. And it's still broken. Wow. Well, the towel trick was to put 3 towels, let it overheat for about 20 minutes, take it out, turn it off, let it cool for about 10 minutes, and it should be working. But I guess I already fixed it somehow. I don't know how the hell I did, but I did it. And still the Xbox is working. It's been about 10 minutes. Oh, I'm sorry for the random stop. I ran out of memory. Some deep dish. My drifting RX-7. Playing some Forza 3. Wow. This is still very crazy. And yes, my gamer tag. It's all about Honda. I just still can't believe it's still working. So now I got this box. This is supposed to go to that. I got 2 Xboxes working good. I'll see how long this one lasts for. It still feels pretty cool. Not hot at all like it used to. Wow. That's crazy. I gotta tell some people about this. Well, I'll get back to you guys a little later about some other videos about Xboxes and whatnot. Get you guys later.